Just switch my wig, make him feel like he cheating. Put him on his knees, give him something to believe in. Never lost a fight, but I'm looking for a beat in the food chain.
Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. Here's what the packaging looks like. This wig is from YSDIDWIGS. A wig cap, headbands. This wig is 12 inches deep wave, 150% density, natural color. Here's what the wig looks like. It looks small. This hair is really soft. It doesn't have a smell. It comes with 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. Minimum shedding.